DiannaQiu, and welcome to my channel if you're new. And if you're old subbies of mine, hey, I'm back. So today's video is me and the hubby trying to go vegan for 1 week. No, not trying to go vegan, we are doing it. Going vegan for 1 whole week and basically seeing how we like it. So for me personally, I'm doing it because of like how I've been feeling. I've been waking up late, sleeping late, and I have literally no energy. That's why I'm doing it, so I can have energy and just see how my body feels, because I'm always like really lethargic during the day and pretty much dead. Let's see if it has a positive impact on my body, my health, all that good stuff, my acne. Let's see, because a lot of people basically told me to cut out meat and see how that would do for my skin. I don't think 1 week is long enough to see how it would affect my skin, but I think 1 week is a good time length to see how it affects my energy. To start our morning, our first morning and vegan day, and I'm doing quotes here because it's 7 something and this is when our morning starts, I made some tea. So usually we have tea anyways in the morning, so our first thing as we wake up, lots of tea during the day as well. So today we are having blueberry tea. I usually do green tea, but I have so much different tea bags that I'm trying them all out. So our first smoothie of the week will consist of kale and spinach. I already threw that in the blender. And then we have a little container for the bunnies there. We're also gonna throw in some celery, a banana, just 1 banana. That would be the sweet factor of the smoothie basically. I'm gonna throw in some flaxseed, some matcha, and some cocoa maca. Okay, I have not made a smoothie in so long, so this is already off to a great start because it's forcing me to make my green smoothie. So cheers! This thing is massive, bro. The jar. Wow, this tastes awful. I'm not used to it. It's been a while. Super green. You guys saw all I threw in was 1 banana, so it's not sweet at all. So I just finished my green smoothie, and as a snack I'm having some tater tots. I love potatoes. And I'm watching a K-drama called Mad Dog. It's so good. You guys have to check it out if you're into K-drama like me. Okay guys, so here we're using vegetable dumplings from H Mart. I put a little bit of oil in the pan and I throw a little bit of water on top. Dumplings are pretty much done. I know I burnt these over here, but these are perfect color. So are these. Well, maybe they could be cooked a little more, but vegetable dumplings are ready. And I promise you, you guys need to try this sauce. It's so good. It's like soy sauce, but like a little bit sweeter and a tiny bit spicy. It says hot. That's a lie. It's not hot. Or maybe because I'm brown and used to spiciness. But I mixed that soy sauce and some sriracha, and holy cow, this is actually pretty good. It has like rice noodles inside. Okay guys, I completely forgot to show you, but with every meal I take vitamins. This is actually Q's vitamin pill case I got him. And then this is mine. This just keeps me in check. These are the vitamins I take. I basically take L-lysine, calcium, magnesium, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin A, probiotic of course, D3, and yeah, if I'm not feeling good, I'll pop one of these. So I made this type of soup. Basically, I followed another girl's recipe, kind of, sort of, and I kind of just did my own thing. She called it chowder, but I'm calling it soup. Hey guys, Q just whispered we're in the same thing today. Yes, it's a whole new day, and it's the same thing. So since we had a green smoothie yesterday, today we're gonna have something a little bit more sweet. So no greens in this one, just fruits. We got banana, grapes, cantaloupe I think it's called, blackberry, raspberry, chia seed, and protein powder. And over here, by the way, if you see that in the background, I like to put my green onion in water, and it just keeps it lasting longer, and also it just keeps growing unlimited green onions. I think it's genius. Just throwing that out there if any of you guys want to try it out.
This smoothie tastes a million times better than it did yesterday. Like, it's night and day. Like, this is the smoothie you want. Yesterday is like the smoothie that You drink because you have to.
Hey guys, so for the next meal I'm making some gochujang fried rice. And here we have some carrots, onion, I think it's called bean sprouts, I'm not sure. Frying that up, and then I'm gonna throw some soy sauce on it for seasoning, some sesame seed. Here we have rice seasoning. I promise you this is so good. I'm also gonna throw some seaweed to mush it all up in there, and then I'm just gonna top it off with some of this. So this is how the fried rice came out. I also added spinach inside and sesame seed. Like I said, this rice seasoning is so good. I also added some seaweed on top, and it just has so much veggies inside. I already tasted it while I was cooking, and it's so freaking good. So cute. Can't believe you gave it a 10? Okay, so we do this thing where basically whenever I cook, I ask him what does he rate my food, 10 being the best. I haven't gotten a 10 in a while, so. Guys, if you're not chipping your green onions with scissors, dude, it makes it so much easier and faster. So I finished making my sundubu, which is soft tofu stew, and I just do a bunch of vegetables in there because I like veggies actually. So here's a big pot of it. Where's your ear? Where's your other ear, baby? Oh. Is that your bed? Did you steal your brother's bed? He stole your brother's bed? He doesn't need it, right? He's always on the couch. He's always on the couch. Oh, you're grooming the bed? You're cleaning it for him? Good boy. Good boy, Minkster. This one is pure trouble. Pure trouble, Baba. Don't you bite the slippers. I'm watching you. Oh, forgot to mention that for dinner, we're basically reheating the soup I made yesterday, and that's what we're having.
Oh my god.
By the way, guys, they get along great. I'm so happy.
This page doesn't know mine.
Yeah. Look, that's really cold. But it's good.
Don't lie to the people. You know that it's disgusting. You know it's disgusting.
Then I'm gonna put sriracha on this one.
The
other one? It's good, try it.
No, thank you.
It's good. I decided to just make this now, and basically burrito. That's what we're doing today. Bunch of vegetables. I tried making Mexican rice basically. Oh my god, I can't even function. I won't be able to function today. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna do my skincare and do everything before market opens, because after that I'm literally gonna be glued to my phone. Yeah, I'm talking about stocks because someone mentioned something that I kind of agreed with and liked. Basically, I saw on TikTok this girl talk about like there's not enough like women investing, and basically like when she goes around her friends and stuff, all the guys when they come together, all they talk about is stocks, like what new stocks about their gains and all that stuff, and invest in and stuff. And it's like when girls get together, like sure we have heart to hearts and we have great talks. Okay, my camera just cut off because I had to delete some files, so here we are again. But yeah, I just noticed that like I don't have that much female people that I hear talk about stocks, and I'd like to change that too. From seeing that girl's TikTok, it was pretty inspiring. I mean, I've only been doing stocks for a little and it's been amazing, and it's definitely like something I wish I started doing earlier, and I wish I listened to like other people that was like, yeah, do it, or buy this. Obviously you need to look up things yourself. You can't just buy something because someone says to buy it. Just my little rant for the day, that I do agree and wish more females got into like different type of investments and things like that, and I'm only now learning about it at freaking 28, so I'm so late to the game as well, but rather late than never. If you guys are into stocks, I would actually love to make new friends that are into stocks, because I'm obsessed. It's all I do. I have so many different like groups that I'm part of to watch and read to see what the next it thing is and stuff like that, to jump on it. But yeah, if you guys are into that as well, it'll be cool to make new friends that enjoy stuff. We have tea as usual, and we have some food my mom sent over. Everything here are veggies. So basically it's like a stir fry. For us it's called boil and fry, which is boil and fry. So you boil some dough and then you fry it. My mom was too lazy to fry it, so she just boiled dough. That's what's right here. There's ripe plantains, there's edo, there's sweet potatoes. I have no clue what edo is called in English, but basically it's just a bunch of different vegetables and like sweet vegetables, and you just fry it up. You guys, I'm just minding my business, writing my to-do list, and this girl just jumps up and tries to eat my book. And she drinks my water too. Stop it. No. Just trying to drink my vitamins and write my to-do list. No, Mulan. No, no. What do you want? No. You could chin it, but you can't bite it. When she chins something, it means she owns it. Sorry, Jinjin. I made sure that I got her the same color of Jinjin because I thought it was the cutest thing to have them match. So we're having leftovers. Hey guys, it's a whole new day. I actually woke up at 7-ish this morning and I'm really proud because I think I fixed my sleeping schedule. Kind of bad, no, actually really bad, but I woke up that early and it's 5:06 p.m. now, and I'm actually having my first meal because I was obsessing over the stock market. I did have tea already, that's what I had, but this is my first meal of the day and it's basically leftovers because we still have this as leftovers, basically the burrito mix that I made. Next meal is dumplings with these noodles here. This is how it looks. This is the outcome. Oh my god, it looks so plain. Q says it's good. Are you lying?
Okay.
Okay. Well, there's that.
I mean, I wish we had more veggies, but
Too lazy to put veggies in. Too lazy to do anything. It's the last day for the vegan challenge and my face looks the same, if not worse. Hormones. But yeah, I'll fill you in how I feel. Gosh. Okay. Okay, sorry for that horrible outro. That doesn't count. But yeah, that was the exact day we completed the challenge, so I wanted to make sure you guys saw my face like right then at that moment. But yeah, I'm sorry I had to run out. My dad was waiting and I couldn't like give you a summary. So here is the summary of what I thought about going vegan for a week. So I noticed during that week that I was vegan, I noticed that I felt a lot lighter in the terms of I wasn't bloated, I didn't feel stuffy and like lethargic. And that is such a huge thing for me because I'm always feeling sleepy and tired no matter how many hours of sleep I get. But that week I literally felt energized and pumped. I don't know if it was more in my head that I was like, oh, I'm eating healthy, so I feel healthier, I feel more alive. I don't know, but seriously, deep down I did feel a lot healthier and I wasn't bloated. Like I said, I just felt really nice. The negatives was I still crave things like eggs. It wasn't necessarily meat that I craved, I just craved eggs because I'm so used to just having like eggs with like a lot of my breakfast stuff. But that was it. I wasn't really craving meat necessarily. It was still hard though, I'm not gonna lie. It was very different because I don't eat that much meat. I'm used to having like at least a little bit of portion with my food. So would I go vegan? Honestly, not right now, but I could definitely cut out even more meat from my diet because I realized that I don't really need it that much. I mean, little portions here and there, but like for when I'm craving something, honestly. So from doing this challenge, I realized that it might be a little difficult for me to just do it like cold turkey like I did and like keep it up because like I said, I was still craving certain things. But I think I can do really good at like being pescatarian for a longer period of time because I really do love sushi and I just love seafood a lot. And if anything, this challenge has taught me to like lessen my meat intake even more. I mean, I wasn't even eating that much meat before, but I'm able now to say, okay, I can eat even lesser meat and I'll be fine. So baby steps. But all in all, it was a fun challenge. Plus, starting that challenge made me continue my smoothie thing where I have like a smoothie every day. Either, mostly it's green smoothies, but like sometimes I'll have like a berry smoothie. But majority of the time it's green smoothie because that's how like I like to infuse my matcha. So I just throw it in there together. But cheers! So that was a huge success from the challenge because now I'm just officially back on my green smoothie bandwagon. So yeah. Oh, another pro was that our grocery bill was a lot less because we weren't buying things that contain meat, and it was just like fresh vegetables and fruits and stuff, and it was just cheaper. So that was a plus. That makes me just want to buy even less meat. I still need a little bit, but yeah, way less. So at least I'm helping reduce carbon footprint by a little bit more, and I definitely do my part. I have been shopping sustainably and not buying fast fashion, although I see some cute stuff, I'm like, nope, don't do it. So yeah, that's my way of doing my part, I guess. I honestly think that if you haven't tried this, you should definitely give it a try. Obviously, I'm not trying to push veganism on anyone because I can't even do it. I'm just trying to start with my baby steps, which is just eating way less meat, and then hopefully from that I go into pescatarian, and then one day. But like I said, you should try it. It's fun. See how your body feels after going like meat-free for a week. It was weird though. Like, I mean, I didn't have any changes with my skin. I knew that was going to be like too quick to impact my skin from like the inside, but at the same time, although my skin didn't change for the better, which I expected, my feelings of like my insides and my body, like I said, made me feel a lot healthier. So that was the positives, where you couldn't see it but you can feel it. So I really did enjoy that a lot. But yeah, that's it. I had a really fun time doing this challenge. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm back for good, no joke. I'm so pumped. I've learned a lot since I've been away, honestly. A few things happened. If you don't know, it was really hard editing this video because I was watching clips of Ming. That's the gray and white bunny. I've had him for 10 years and he passed away, so editing this video was pretty tough, and that's why like I didn't get to it until now. But yeah, that was my baby and he's gone. So yeah, but at least now like I have those clips to like just like watch him, and I can always see him when I miss him because I have so many videos of him on like Instagram and like on YouTube. So I'm thankful for that actually. I went to Guyana for a little bit and I learned even more there. So it makes me appreciate a lot of things, and one of those things is YouTube. So I'm officially back. I hope you stick around for the rest of my content that I have coming up. And if you've been here from day one, thank you so much. Like, you don't know what it means to me. It's just crazy to know that I still have subscribers after going MIA all the time for so long. I appreciate it a lot. I will try my best to create a lot better content for you guys and not be so hard on myself, because I kid you not, I've recorded so many videos and while I edit them, I nitpick at everything, so I just delete them. So I'm not gonna do that. I learned not to do that, just to put out my content. If I love it even a little bit, put it out, and not be like my worst critic ever, like hardcore. Please look forward to future videos that I have coming. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my content, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.